Coronavirus cases this week in Ealing remain very low. Up to the 6th of July, there were 10 cases, new cases that is. That's a rate of 2.9 cases per 100,000 of population. So really, really low, and no prospect of a local lockdown given those figures. However, the outbreak at Hillingdon Hospital this week shows us how we cannot be complacent. The A&E had to be closed. 70 people working at the hospital contracted COVID-19. So it's a reminder to us all that we need to follow those social distancing rules, keep that 2 meters apart where absolutely possible, lots of hand washing, wear those face coverings and be cautious. We don't want a second wave and a local outbreak. Now, this weekend, it's the second weekend that our pubs, cafes, restaurants have been able to open. And yes, barbers, although you can see I haven't managed to get there yet, and hairdressers, they could also open as of last weekend. And we need people to support our local businesses. It's really, really important that we support our local businesses. All those shops as well that have been able to reopen. Just one word of caution, the police have asked us to get the message out that we need people to follow those social distancing rules in the pubs, in our licensed premises, our restaurants, both inside and outside. Follow that 2 meter social distancing rule. It's really important. From Monday the 13th of July, this coming Monday, beauticians, nail bars, tattooists, other businesses can reopen. And from Saturday the 25th of July, leisure centres, gyms and indoor swimming pools can reopen. Now, we're working currently on reopening our libraries safely. We've been able to reopen them from last week, but we haven't done so because we need to make sure that they're safe. Also, just for you sporting enthusiasts out there, we can start playing cricket from this weekend. So that's really excellent news. And I'm sure there are many who will enjoy that, and hopefully the weather allows that to happen. Now, this week the Chancellor made further announcements about central government support to businesses and the economy. We particularly welcome the funding for green retrofitting of homes. Obviously, that's going to have a really positive impact on the environment, but it also brings significant jobs. So we're hoping to get funding from that pot that the Chancellor set aside to retrofit local homes. However, unfortunately, he didn't mention local councils and give us any more support financially, or indeed talk about our adult social care and the need to provide more funding for that vital work of caring for our elderly. So our total costs of COVID as a council in expenditure and lost income is really significant, £65 million. We currently have a gap of £39 million. Now, the government have promised some further additional help that will bring that figure down, but I can't see us being anywhere close to meeting half of that 39 million with any further government money that's promised. So we do really need extra help from the government in order to keep vital services going.